Hey guys, today I'm going to be making another tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to move your text around the video screen on iMovie on iOS, and it definitely works. So the trick is it's Chroma Key. So let's go on this test video and let's try adding a text. Let me use Prism. So, for example, you try to move it around, but you can't. It's just, you can't. They won't allow you. So yeah, today I'll be showing you how to do it. So, as I said, the trick is Chroma Key. So I'll click plus and select a video that I created. And I'll click this test thing that I made. It cuts out the green part, so like this. There, it stops. So I'll be showing you how to make a green screen like this. But now I told you the trick on how to do it. Okay guys, now you want to find out how to make a green screen video. So let's first go to Studio that you always use. So this is the test video that I make. So just select the green background. Make sure it's 16:9 so it fits the video. So and then you want to at least have this. And then you want to put a text above. Like so. Oh, I just wrote 3 L's. That doesn't matter. And then you can just move it around. So I'm just gonna place it here. Then you want to click done. Finish. Save the photos. Now to crop this picture, I use Photoshop Mix. It helps out sometimes. Well, you don't actually have to use it because I'm going to be showing you how to do it without Photoshop. You can just use iMovie by itself. So yeah. So click the plus sign, add a new video, click your green screen that you made, the picture. Now it's going to be moving around and you don't want that, and there will be white lines. So click the video. Like, not the actual video, like, click the video where the line is at. And then you want to disable Ken Burns. So disable it. And then when you try cropping, it won't work. So you have to line it up perfectly. Just like so. Now, it may be like 6 seconds. And you want to, like, crop the video, but you can't. You can't split it. So, you have to save it. Now, it will show up as this, but I promise it's not like that. Save the video. Okay, and then you want to create a new one. Click the video that you just created, and then you can split. And just like so, you have yourself a Chroma Key green screen text. So, if you want to know how to use the green screen thing, the first video will help you out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.